Streets deserted, a 12-hour curfew imposed. It's a moment many feared. Yemen's first reported case of COVID-19 in the southeastern port city of Al-Shahr. Yemeni medical officials in Hadhramaut region have tweeted that the person is in a stable condition in hospital. Healthcare workers know how dangerous the virus is in a country where half of all facilities have been destroyed by 5 years of war.
We're with the governor of Hadhramaut to inspect the patient's examination and diagnosis at the fever hospital in Fuluk. This centre has been established and ready to receive as many patients as necessary.
The World Health Organization says it's assessing who may have been exposed to the virus. And the charity Save the Children says there are 700 intensive care unit beds, including 60 for children and 500 ventilators, for a population of about 30 million people. Confirmation of the virus came at the start of a 2-week unilateral ceasefire called by the Saudi-UAE-led coalition. It says the pause in fighting is to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. But a Houthi spokesman told Al Jazeera they consider the ceasefire announcement a media and political stunt and want a comprehensive UN-led deal.
We were very clear before the corona pandemic. We wanted the war to stop completely and the siege to be fully lifted. The siege makes Yemen too weak to fight the pandemic. We didn't say that the ceasefire is rejected, but we expressed doubts about the intentions of the Saudis, who've proved that they haven't committed themselves to their unilaterally announced truce.
Analysts believe the Saudis and the Emiratis are looking for a face-saving way out of a war they can't win. The pause in fighting in Yemen started as the United Nations Security Council held an emergency closed-door meeting via video conference. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres says he wants to work towards a ceasefire in all conflicts during the pandemic. Many fear in a country where millions face famine and lack access to clean water, it's impossible to follow simple rules to prevent the spread of the infection. Burdon-Manley, Al Jazeera.